Hello everyone. So in my last video we are done with the single inheritance and multiple inheritance. So now in my this video we will talk about multi-level and hierarchical inheritance. So first of all we will change the name because in this program only we will do the modification. Multi-level indicates one base class, then intermediate derived class, and then final derived class. So class 1 is a base class, normal thing. Okay, then class 2 it is derived from class 1. Okay, then next is class 3, it is derived from class 2. Okay, so obviously this is multi-level where this is your intermediate derived class. Why it is like that? Because it is derived for this base class and it is a base class for this derived class. So control S and let's check the output of this. See, 1, 2 and derived class. So that is all about multi-level inheritance. And we have one more, that is nothing but what? Hierarchical inheritance. Okay, what is the meaning of hierarchical inheritance? It will have only one base class. Okay, but it will have multiple derived class. So here this is your derived class, derived from this base class, that is 1, and this is also derived, but it will derive from the same base class, that is 1. So here we have two derived class, that is 2 as well as what? 3. So what we will do is we will write obj1 equal to 2 and this. That means we are creating derived class object. Then we will write obj2 equal to 3. So we are creating object for the derived class 3 also. So now what I will do is using obj1, I will call demo1 and demo2 also. But for demo3, I have to use object 2. And using object 2, you can call demo1 also. Obj 2 dot demo1. That means demo1 is possible using both the object 1 as well as object 2. So control S F5. See, inside class 1, 2 and 1 and derived. Because of 1 and 2, 1 and derived class. Okay, so that is very simple example of multi-level and hierarchical inheritance. In my next video, we will talk about hybrid, which is combination of any two inheritance. Thank you, everyone.